Hey, so just wanted to show you really quick the spreadsheet, locking, unlocking, hiding the columns, and then so you can see that it's working. So I'm just going to clear this information really quick. All right. All right, so you can see here, go to the report, you can see, you can check. There's nothing there, there's a bunch of zeros everywhere. Everyone has zero because nothing's been entered. Go to the insurance log. They're just going to do 2 for Angie, 1 for Lupita, just to see. 1 for Patricia, 1 for Penelope, 1 for Veronica. Let's call it A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Nobody cares. Do endorsement, endorsement, e-business, e-business, renewal, renewal, and 1 rewrite. And just do 1, 1, 21, 1, 16, 21, 2, 1. Just some random dates. And then this you guys will do. Company name, there's a drop down from the list that you gave me. And then hit Alliance, Infinity, just do 1 for each. And then there I'll change it so that you guys can enter later on. If you have like a new company, it'll let you type something in there. So here's the thing, here's total collected. We'll do 100, 200, just go up like that. Then this will be just half of everything. And this stuff, I don't know, 5. Put a referral fee just to mess with it and see that it's working. I don't know what this referral fee means. NVR, I don't know what that means either. So I'll just leave it blank, or I'll put something in there just so you can see that it works. And you can see right here the formula is changing. Calculating everything automatically based on percentages. And the percentages are being pulled from here. Here's the agent commission, and then we go down to the bottom. You can see everything's being totaled up. So 2,800 collected. From that, 1,400, like I said, it was going to be half. It's going to the company. Credit fees, there's 7 transactions. I put $5 for each. For these, I put 10. So everything's adding up. And then just this is what's different, right? The broker fee, because of the formula or the function, whatever, is calling on different agent, so different tax rate, different percentage, sorry, for the agent commission, and then the broker fee is just adding up all the stuff. So go shortcut. We got 1260. It's closed off 0 because there's no. It's just adding up. and here it got 352 because of the percentages. Go back up to the top. There's 7 transactions down to the bottom, and then you can ignore this right here. This is just sort of that when you filter, and then we'll use the filter. So when you filter, it actually only adds up the 2 rows for when you print those reports that you want. Let's see who had different dates. We can change Angie so you can see when you want your report only for the month of January. Alright, so you go here, you just simply hit the drop down box for the header and say I only want February's report for her transactions. Click out. Now you only got February's report. Then you can just clear the filter here, clear it, and then Angie and these people are back, but because we still have the filter here, you want to select all. You can do that, or you can also go to data. So let's say I don't want to see 2021, I only want to see blanks for what reason, I don't know. And you just hit clear and it brings everything back. And then there's also a report here. Like we said, there was 7 transactions. There was 352 in total for the commissions, right? Then endorsements, there was 222 and then 1. Everything's checking out based on the month. And then I try to color coordinate this, and it's color coordinated. And you can see there's a function up here, and it's calling on this date right here. So Vero would go here and then select her dates. And then make sure you don't hit the header because you saw that it gives you this for filtering and sorting. So just hit the bottom. You only want to find out how many you did between 1/1 and 1/15, and you saw how that changed. And you'll see it again. If it goes 2/15, now there's 3. If I go all the way to 4/15, there's 6. And I think the last date was like, so there you guys see. Or if you only want between 5/1 and 5/15, there's nothing there. But if we go 4/16, you see how it pops up. Global Century, there's 1 transaction. And this is just annual, this is just total, and it's kind of repeated from, these guys are all going to match up always with the annual. So that's something you can use to reference. As far as locking, so for now, when we have the sheet, these guys are already locked. I'm going to hit protect the sheet. If it lets me, let's see. Protect this sheet. Maybe it's not letting me because I'm doing the screencast. There we go. Okay, protect sheet. I'm going to type in Vero, select unlock cells. Alright. Before that, I need to hide this. So I'm going to hide these columns. And I think she wanted these hidden. Those are hidden now. Now I'm going to go to protect sheet. I'm going to do Vero, okay. I'm going to add Patricia or whatever, Veronica. I'm going to do another rewrite. I'm going to do an endorsement. Do, I don't know, 3/1, 5/1, who cares? You guys will put that. We'll do another one. Or do one for Aspire, one for Foremost. We'll do 1,000. We'll do 500, and then 200. I'll just leave that 5. So do 5 again, just so you can see it's still working. And then as you can see, there's nothing here anymore. And then if I try to unlock it or unhide it, you can't. You can only highlight. So there's nothing that they can do anymore. They can't see it, but they can still log in their information. You can still do all that stuff. I gotta unlock this one. Go to report. You can still see the report change. We entered 2 new ones, 99. This one up. This one up. So there you go.